Today we look at Dzine AI. It's an end-to-end AI creative platform that brings you from idea to finished talking animated videos in just minutes. Let's go in. So first go on Dzine.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. There are so many features like image to image, chat editor, consistent character, lip sync, image to video, text to image. We try the text to image first. On the left you can choose the model. The top models are available like Nano Banana Pro, Sea Dream, and so much more. Let's use Nano Banana Pro. We have the prompt of a futuristic city background at sunset. We have a quality output up to 4K. We have different aspect ratio to choose. Perfect for YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. We just hit generate. Seconds later we have our cinematic output. As you can see, high quality. Exactly that what we wanted, a futuristic city with a sunset in the background. Now we have different options to choose from. We can download the image. We can hop right into the chat editor or image, AI video, lip sync. In this case, we want to try the AI video. As you can see here, we are at the AI video feature. We have the start image of the city. We have the same prompt. We have here the top video models like Kling 3.0, Seedance, Sora 2. We can enable a sound. Let's hit it. We can also use a prompt for generating the sound. It's optional. We just hit generate. While it's generating, we look at another feature, the character feature. Let's build our own character. We want just a quick mode. We want to start with an image. We have a red hair woman. We upload the image. We hit start building. And now we have our character created. We have the prompt, let the woman in red hair woman dance to a funky music. We just hit generate. As we can see on the right, our image to video is ready. Let's look at it. It's just perfect. It's cinematic quality, so easy to use. You can also download it just here. Very nice. Now our dance character is ready, and as you can see, he did it perfectly. Consistency over the images. Exactly that what we wanted. Very easy. We can also edit the image here with an AI eraser to remove objects. We can change the expression, the background. We can cut out things. Let's try the expression. We can adjust the eyes, we can adjust so many things here, the eyebrow. As you can see, the eyes are more opened, we can also close it. It's so easy, so natural. We can adjust the eyebrow. You can perfectly generate your desired character for any use. Consistency over so many things. Very nice. We can also lip sync here. We have the face automatically marked. We hit next. We want the original. We are now in the lip sync generator. We want the pro. We want 1080p output. We want a voice. Let's use Britney.
Find a comfortable place.
Yes. Hey guys, it's me, Britney. How are you? Hit generate audio. You can also upload your own audio here.
Hey guys, it's me, Brittany. How are you?
Perfect. We hit apply and now we hit generate. And it is finished. Let's look at it.
Hey guys, it's me, Brittany. How are you?
As you can see, the mouth movement is perfect. She is also dancing in the video. Perfect. You have the motion control, you have the lip sync. Just easy. You can even further motion control it. You can add sounds, you can enhance or upscale the video. There are so many more features to discover like face swap or chat editor. Let's look into the chat editor. We have the example of this character and we want to put this character in a library reading a book without changing their appearance. Again, choose the model. We just hit generate and here we are. 10 seconds later, we have our character reading a book in a library. Perfect for consistency over multiple scenes. Very easy to use. If you like Dzine, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.